Is your leaf blower starting up fine but then suddenly stalling out after a few seconds? Welcome to WholeToolBox, your trusted source for tool repair tips and replacement parts. Let's dive right into what could be causing your leaf blower to stall. First up, the spark arrestor. This small metal screen prevents sparks from exiting the muffler, keeping your tool safe. Over time, it can clog with soot and carbon deposits, restricting exhaust flow and causing your engine to stall. You can try cleaning it with a wire brush, but if it's too dirty or damaged, it's best to replace it with a new one for smooth performance. Next, let's talk about the carburetor. Old or leftover fuel in the tank can leave varnish and residue inside, blocking fuel passages. That's why it's so important to use fresh fuel and add a fuel stabilizer to maintain quality. For even better reliability, use pre-mixed, ethanol-free fuel and oil. Try cleaning the carburetor with a carb cleaner. If that doesn't work, you can install a carburetor repair kit or simply replace the carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also clog the fuel filter, restricting flow and causing the same stalling issue. Luckily, this is an easy fix. Just replace the fuel filter with a new one. Finally, a dirty air filter can choke your blower by limiting airflow into the carburetor. A simple replacement once a year or whenever it looks dirty can keep your blower running efficiently. For trusted leaf blower replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.